Yes, we have Neoma Gupta, who's spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party, Dr. Nimi Rastogi, who's spokesperson of the Aam Aadmi Party, and Vijay Kaushik, who's leader of the Congress Party. Good evening to all of you. Thank you very much for joining us here on Times Now. Dr. Nimi Rastogi, let me begin this discussion with you. Another investigation that is going to happen as far as Sheesh Mahal is concerned. How will you like to respond? BJP claims that an empire was built and there were several irregularities that will now come to the fore after this probe happens.
Hina, as you said, so I would like to remind you that innumerable times in last 10 years, Bharatiya Janata Party has raided, has started investigations, has alleged scams and, like FIR was fired and so many cases were also fired. Even our leaders were put behind bar. But till date, not a single thing has been proven by them or by their lawyers. So this is yet another example because the debate of Sheesh Mahal finished that day when we ourselves said, come, let's take the media inside. Let's take the common person inside. Let us also see where all the ostentatious things that you're saying exist. But since it was a false narrative, it is a false narrative. BJP is vindictive party. It has very craftily woven a false narrative, a false perception that has actually caused harm to us. But they don't seem to come out of the campaign mode. They are still singing the same song, still doing the same rhetoric, but we have no fear. You can take the investigation team inside, do whatever you want.
Do whatever you want is what the Aam Aadmi Party has to say. Neoma Gupta, how will you like to respond? Aam Aadmi Party's allegation is it's a false narrative. Even though elections are over, you're still continuing with the same narrative and they have nothing to worry about, really. Your response?
They actually have nothing to worry about because they've been pretty inconsequential in the whole election process by losing it so miserably because they lost the trust of the people. And today CBC, very clearly has ordered investigation because Sheesh Mahal has been a cantankerous point for them. Every time they've debated, they've always deflected from the topic. The expenditure, the renovation, the irregularities that we've been raising so far all along will finally come to light by the CBC. And one thing will be proved beyond a reasonable doubt that Aam Aadmi Party is corrupt to the core. And the interesting part is now they have nowhere to hide. The house of Mr. Kejriwal was a clear example of what we do not expect from leaders of this country, spending obscene amount of money on unnecessary things while ignoring the city when you were elected to govern. And today, if you read, excessive spending on unnecessary things is one thing, but look at it goes a step further. The CAG report we had referred to earlier also raises the issues of lack of transparency in selecting and awarding contractors. It points out the spot quotations from 3 consultants who were finalized within a day with no documentation explaining the selection process. Additionally, the preliminary estimates prepared by the consultants lack clarity and underwent multiple revisions, leading to inflated costs, a 36% increase in the built-up area. Furthermore, may I highlight there were irregularities in the tendering, but also, an extra cost of 25.8 crores were taken in on account of competitive bidding. Tell me, how on earth do you think you will get away with this? And how do you think we will let this slide? Once upon a time in 2013, you signed a sworn affidavit that you won't take a bungalow, fancy cars. Today, you spend so much of taxpayers' money on renovating a home, which even isn't permanently yours. Just 1 second, ma'am. Right now, I heard the BJP the Aam Aadmi Party's other spokesperson giving a bite about, explain to me about the Prime Minister's expansion. This is a sheer folly you've committed by comparing the surroundings of a PM with the CM. This is such a desperate debate. 7 LKM is the official residence of PM of India, but 6 Flagstaff Road is not the official residence. 7 LKM holds the PM
number of points, and I will get Aam Aadmi Party to respond to those as well. But before that, let me take the quick opening comments from the leader of the Congress Party here as well on this debate. We have Vijay Kaushik live with us. Vijay Kaushik जी, आपने भारतीय जनता पार्टी को भी सुना, आम आदमी पार्टी को भी सुना, कांग्रेस पार्टी की क्या प्रतिक्रिया है इस पूरे मामले को लेकर? सीवीसी के द्वारा जो है अब शीश महल में जो इरेगुलरिटीज बीजेपी बात कर रही है उसकी जांच होने वाली है. हाउ डू यू सी दिस?
देखिए, कांग्रेस पार्टी की तरफ से हम ये मानते हैं कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी और आम आदमी पार्टी एक ही सिक्के के दो पहलू हैं। ये दोनों पार्टियां आपस में मिली हुई हैं और अगर ऐसा नहीं है तो हम मोदी जी से निवेदन करते हैं कि ये जो शीश महल है इसको 1 साल के लिए संग्रहालय के तौर पर घोषित कर देना चाहिए और इसके अंदर जो केजरीवाल जी के वादे और दावे थे अन्ना आंदोलन के दौरान कि भाई मैं सिर्फ 2 कमरे के घर में रहूंगा, जो तमाम तरह के इन्होंने झूठे वादे किए थे उनकी भी लिस्ट लगाई जानी चाहिए ताकि दिल्ली और देश की जनता को 1 साल के अंदर ये पता चल जाए कि केजरीवाल की हकीकत क्या है और उनके वादे और उनकी जो जमीनी हकीकत है उनमें कितना बड़ा फर्क है। इसके अलावा जो केजरीवाल सरकार के समय में बहुत सारे घोटाले हुए हैं उसमें दिल्ली की जमीनें प्राइवेट पार्टनरशिप के नाम पर प्राइवेट बिल्डरों के हवाले कर दी गई। करोड़ों की जमीनें, अरबों की जमीनें कौड़ियों की कीमत में बिल्डरों के हवाले कर दी गई और उनमें 2 नंबरी रास्ते से केजरीवाल जी ने पैसा कमाया है
जी।
उस घोटाले की जांच के आदेश दें मोदी जी या दिल्ली सरकार, जो भी इनके नवनिर्वाचित मुख्यमंत्री बने, तो हम ये समझेंगे कि भाई ये इनकी आपस में मिली भगत नहीं है क्योंकि केजरीवाल जी जैसे व्यक्ति जिनके बारे में अन्ना,
आप कह रहे हैं कि ये दोनों एक ही सिक्के के दो पहलू हैं, पर यहाँ पर दर्शकों ने सुना, I don't think they'll agree to that. I mean, let me ask, the representatives from Aam Aadmi Party as well as BJP, क्या आप एक दूसरे की B team है? Dr. Nimi Rastogi, very quickly, and then Neoma Gupta, because that's what the Congress Party still feels. Elections are over.
So that is delusional thinking. I'm sorry, I cannot help with that. But somebody was talking about obscene money. So see, actually, Aam Aadmi Party encourages transparency in public spending. So we would also like to know, where does RSS get 150 crore rupees to renovate its office, like much more than Sheesh Mahal? Where does BJP get money to spend 700 crore for its head office refurbishment?
I will get BJP to respond to that, but coming back to the points that have been made about Sheesh Mahal, which we are discussing today, I want to respond to the allegations by the Bharatiya Janata Party and also the fact that, the way you compared Sheesh Mahal, the CM's residence to Prime Minister's residence.
Can I come in there?
No, I'm asking about RSS and BJP head office.
But today we are discussing something else.
Can I come in here?
Neoma Gupta, just give me 30 seconds. 30 seconds. I will come back to you. Dr. Nimi Rastogi, do you have a response?
See, we should also try and find out what was the income of BJP people, the leaders before they came into power. And now there is 900
Well, I don't
times.
think there is a response really on the point that BJP spokesperson had raised. So Neoma Gupta, over to you.
Yeah,
Yes.
so making it
I'll tell you, I'm
we are
coming
here
to that.
comparing.
I gave you 30 seconds, Dr. Nimi Rastogi. You didn't respond. You again went to BJP.
So just to
Okay.
make something abundantly clear, 7 LKM is the official residence of the Prime Minister of India, but 6 Flagstaff Road is not the official residence of CM Delhi. 7 LKM holds the PMO, the SPG retinue, the contingencies of hundreds of people that we don't even know about because of security reasons. It's so much more vast than every scale. The main issue here is the lack of transparency and irregularities.
So
Show
again,
me one
BJP is
allegation of fraud,
accusing you
wrongdoing.
of lack
One
of
second.
transparency. Okay, very quickly, Dr. Nimi Rastogi, because then I'll go across to Mr. Vijay
Actually, I
Kaushik as
want
well.
to challenge
As I
anybody from
say,
Aam
we encourage transparency. It's a very healthy trend. So when we ourselves ask the media and all to come, please come inside. Let us also come to know, where is the swimming pool, where is the toilet, where is that
Now that's one thing, Neoma Gupta, that was raised by Vijay Kaushik, the leader of the Congress party as well, which Dr. Nimi Rastogi is also talking about. She claimed that the debate was settled the day when their party leaders were not allowed to open, this residence, the Sheesh Mahal, for the media. We just heard Congress party's Vijay Kaushik saying, open it like a museum for at least 1 year and, let people see. How will you like to respond to both of them?
CVC
Absolutely,
is
you should,
investigating and
because
whatever the
Dr. Nimi Rastogi, let Neoma Gupta respond.
Yeah, thank you. CVC is investigating and whatever the agencies deem appropriate will be done.
Okay.
We have no problem doing anything. Please understand that BJP is not doing the investigation. Investigations have certain protocols and many times they will decide what to do.
Okay.
Trust me, 90% of the investigation will be pursuing documents and contacting all the relevant
Okay.
parties which these guys need to comply with. And when it comes to the Congress spokesperson, sir, please stop being delusional. BJP was not in alliance with Congress or you. It was both of you in cahoots with each other. So have a conversation with each other. Don't get us in the middle
Vijay
of your
Kaushik,
bitter fight.
I want to give you the last word. Please respond.
Yeah.
Just one
मैं
second.
ये कहना चाहता हूं कि जब केजरीवाल जी ने शराब घोटाले के लिए अपनी पॉलिसी
जिसकी
बनाई थी
कंप्लेन
तो
आपने
सबसे पहले
फाइल की
हमने
थी।
विरोध किया था। तो मोदी सरकार
फिर
ने,
आपने
केंद्र
उनके साथ
सरकार ने
हाथ
उस पर
मिलाया,
तुरंत
सर।
क्यों नहीं रोक लगाई थी? क्यों घोटाला
सर,
होने दिया? वो
can I-
केजरीवाल जी जो बात बात में
can I-
मोदी जी के खिलाफ धरने पर बैठते थे, वो उन्होंने धरने क्यों बंद कर दिए? इसके अलावा बीजेपी
पर विजय कौशिक जी, बीजेपी का ये कहना है कि अगर आप अलायंस की बात कर रहे हैं तो दरअसल कांग्रेस पार्टी आम आदमी पार्टी के साथ अलायंस में है, INDIA ब्लॉक में आप लोगों का गठबंधन है, और आप कह रहे हैं कि बीजेपी और आम आदमी पार्टी अलायंस में, जो एक दूसरे से फिलहाल तो शो पर लड़ाई करते हुए नजर आ रहे हैं। सो इवन द व्यूअर्स आर लिटिल कंफ्यूज्ड। आप कांग्रेस पार्टी क्या कहना चाह रही है?
कभी हाँ
मैं
कभी
ये
ना।
कहना चाह रहा हूं कि आम आदमी पार्टी बीजेपी की एजेंट बनकर कांग्रेस के अलायंस में आई, उसने हमारी पीठ में छुरा घोंपा। तो हमने
कांग्रेस
उनसे
पार्टी
अपना
के लिए भी
अलायंस
आम
तोड़
आदमी
दिया।
पार्टी क्या है? चलिए, आपने कह दिया कि कांग्रेस और बीजेपी एक ही सिक्के, आम आदमी पार्टी और बीजेपी
हाँ,
आपके हिसाब से एक ही सिक्के के दो पहलू हैं। आपसे मैं ये जानना चाहूंगी आज इस शो पर, लास्ट 30 सेकेंड्स, कांग्रेस के लिए आम आदमी पार्टी कौन है?
एक विश्वासघाती पार्टी है जिन्होंने गठबंधन में आकर भाजपा के लिए काम करते हुए हर प्रदेश में कांग्रेस को डेंट
तो
पहुंचाने
इसका
का काम
मतलब आप
किया।
INDIA
तो
ब्लॉक में
इसलिए
से बाहर निकल रहे हैं या आम आदमी पार्टी को बाहर निकलवा रहे हैं?
इंडिया अलायंस इज शट
आम आदमी पार्टी तो पहले ही निकल चुकी है जी।
नहीं, निकले तो नहीं है अभी तो। TMC भी है, सभी है, राहुल गांधी भी है,
मेरी बात तो सुनिए ना।
अखिलेश यादव भी है, सभी है। अभी INDIA से कहां निकले हैं?
कंफ्यूशियस।
इस गठबंधन की हेड कांग्रेस है।
जी,
अगर कांग्रेस
तो अगर कांग्रेस
आम आदमी
हेड है तो आप
पार्टी
ये
से
बता
दिल्ली में
दीजिए
गठबंधन नहीं
दर्शकों के
रखती।
लिए कि क्या आम आदमी पार्टी इस INDIA ब्लॉक का हिस्सा है कि नहीं?
देखिए, वो मैटर ये है कि वहां पर अगर आम आदमी पार्टी हमारा नेतृत्व स्वीकार कर रही है तो पड़ी रहे एक कोने में, हमें उससे कोई ऐतराज नहीं, लेकिन नेतृत्व कांग्रेस का रहेगा। दूसरी बात, ऐसी भ्रष्ट पार्टी से हम खुद कोई संबंध नहीं रखना चाहते और ना ही रखेंगे।
Well, that's a
और
big
आने वाले
statement
समय
you're
में-
making, and we'll see how the Aam Aadmi Party
Let's
will
see
really
how much he
respond to
boxes
that.
back.
I'm completely out of time, but I'd like to thank all my guests for joining us. Neoma Gupta, Dr. Nimi Rastogi, as well as Vijay Kaushik. Appreciate all of you for joining us here on this debate. We're going to be tracking the story closely ahead as well. For now, slipping into